Hello everyone. To find the abandoned drops, head to the eastern outskirts of the zone, just past the derelict industrial area. Watch for gravitational anomalies and radiation hotspots. Use your detector and bolts to navigate safely. The drop is located in a collapsed building. Look for a small crawl space to enter. Inside, you'll find loot crates, ammo, and occasionally rare artifacts. But beware, this area is crawling with mutants and hostile stalkers. Now for the repair Quay stash. It is located near the docks west of the zone, marked by an abandoned crane. The stash is hidden inside a sunken shipping container. To access it, you will need to climb the crane and use its arm to drop down safely. Inside, you'll find the high-grade weapon mods, repair kits, and possibly a unique blueprint. Tip here, bring anti-radiation drugs and a gas mask. The area is heavily contaminated. Both locations are high risk but worth it for the loot. Go in prepared with plenty of supplies and ammo. And if the stash isn't there, check your PDA, as some stashes only appear after specific missions or PDA messages. With these 2 spots looted, you'll be better equipped to handle whatever the zone throws at you. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.